discussing something very recent and very controversial. Today, we are have something discussing about the new TKA exam that was conducted just yesterday for 12th grade students. Yes, TKA is simple exam, but the effect can be stressful, make students have messy sleep hours, and your brains want to explode uncontrollably. So, opinions have been mixed. So, today I have three guests. So, the first guest is Jihan, who supports the system.
Hello,
Jihan, how are you today?
I'm fine, and how about you?
I'm fine too. Thank you for answering. And the next is Nora,
Hi everyone.
who's strongly against it. And how are you today, Nora?
I'm good.
Okay, thank you. And Asmi, and the last is Asmi, who's neutral.
Oh God,
How are you today, Asmi?
I'm fine. And how about you?
I'm good, thank you. And let's get right into it. Nora, I will start with you. What do you think TKA is problematic?
Thanks, Angel. Honestly, the biggest issue for me is how unclear and sudden the announcement was. From the moment they introduced TKA, everything felt rushed. Schools weren't given enough time to prepare students. Many didn't even know the exact format would be until a few days before the test.
I understand the frustration, but big educational changes are always messy in the beginning. Even if it feels sudden, it pushes school to adapt faster. Sometimes urgency forces improvement.
But that's exactly the problem. Not all schools have equal resources. Some schools follow the formal curriculum, which is very different from what TKA actually tests. Students were suddenly tested on material they never learned formally in class. How is that fair?
To be fair, I heard that too from several friends. Some were confused about why topics unrelated to grammar appeared on the exam. But at the same time, I know some students who felt the test was manageable because they study independently. So experience really vary.
Right, and that's exactly why I support the TKA. It trains students for university entrance exams where self-study and critical thinking matter. The TKA pushes students to understand concepts, not just memorize them.
But what about the simulation errors? Many students couldn't even complete the trial test because the system kept crashing. That should be a warning sign that the implementation wasn't ready.
Technical issues happen, yes, but that doesn't mean the whole system is bad. Mistakes now help them improve the real system later. At least the simulation exposed the problem early.
I agree with both of you. The simulations error were stressful, but they were also useful. At least students got an idea of the interface, even if it was perfect.
Good points. Now, many students are confused about the function of the TKA itself. Is it just validation? Does it affect report cards? No. What's your take?
That's another major issue. They never gave a clear explanation. Students deserve to know whether their result will impact graduation, university application, or just be used as data.
Actually, I think this is one of the strengths of TKA. It can validate school grades or sometimes report card grades vary too much between schools. TKA gives a more objective measurement of academic ability. Plus, it's potentially useful as an additional benchmark for students to see where they stand nationally.
But don't you think they should announce its purpose properly first before using it? Students were confused the entire time.
Yeah, the communication needs improvement. I won't deny that, but the idea itself, a national standardized test, is still good. Another thing, TKA encourages critical thinking. The questions aren't about memorizing formulas. They test reasoning, which is exactly what universities expect. And honestly, this exam prepares students for future entrance tests like UTBK or university-specific exams. So even if the TK isn't perfect, it still benefits students in the long run.
Preparation is good, but students were already overwhelmed with school, projects, internship, and now suddenly a national exam added in the last minute. The timing was terrible. A system can be good in theory but harmful when implemented poorly.
I think what both of you are saying brings us to the real issues. The idea of TKA might be good, but the implementation wants policy. Maybe the government need to slow down, prepare proper vigilance, align it with the curriculum, fix the system, and only then roll it out.
Great discussion, everyone. We heard strong argument on both sides. The sudden announcement, curriculum mismatch, unclear purpose, and technical issue. But also, the benefit like preparing for university, training critical thinking, and validating grades. The TKA clearly has potential, but also many flaws. To our listener, what do you think? Should TKA stay or should it be reassigned? Thank you for listening to EduTalk Podcast. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Bye.